Hello, I'm Andrew Urban from Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to 1001 Atherton Street in Vallejo, California. This home is located in South Vallejo, close to Magazine Street, and is a perfect starter home or an investment property. It is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms, over 1,200 square feet, and has a huge backyard that you'll see in a moment. All kinds of possibilities for this home is in store for you. Come and have a look together with me right now. You can see this is an up-and-coming neighborhood in South Vallejo. The house itself is on a corner lot, a big yard, big possibilities. Let's go inside and have a look. As we walk inside the home, we are right away in the living room. You can see there's a small patio outside, a small deck outside. From the living room we can move directly into the upgraded kitchen. Solid stone countertops, fairly new cabinets, a refrigerator, a gas stove. And then through the kitchen is kind of a dining room, tile floor, nice and bright in the afternoon sun. And there's a deck outside. But on the right-hand side here is the full bathroom. A shower over the tub. And then right adjacent to that is bedroom number 1. There's laminate flooring here. When we go upstairs into the upper part of the home, we are in bedroom number 2, which faces the back and the side of the house. And directly opposite is bedroom number 3 that faces the side and the front of the house. Here on this kitchen level there's also a half bathroom before we go downstairs into the lower level of the house, which would lead us outside, but also leads us into the storage room, which in some former years might have been the garage. Looking out the back of the house, there's a small patio deck, which gives us a view over the mobile home park that's across the back of the property, along the back of the property. But you can see there's a big yard space right here. There's a big 40-foot container that comes with the property. And then we see the outside. This is where we're going into the storage area, and that's the big gate for RV parking if you want. But you can see that there's all kinds of possibilities with this home. You see the side of the house right there.